And last but not least is a speed dome. If you look in the product portfolio today, there are two camera models in speed dome. One is called the 68. That's the 2 megapixel. One is called the 84. That's the 5 megapixel. Both of which have share the same housing, so they actually look the same from the outside. A little bit difference. First of all, resolution. You do get a higher FPS at 2 megapixel and a longer optical zoom distance plus a longer IR distance. Okay, so for 2 megapixel, you get 40 times optical zoom plus 250 meters IR. And for the 5 megapixel, the optical zoom is at 30 and the IR distance is at 200. But since you have a higher resolution, that resolution could somewhat compensate for the shorter optical zoom distance. Now, one way that we can use PTZ camera is to pair up with a dome or a bullet camera to use what we call camera link. Okay, so inside camera link, there's two different cameras for different purposes. You have one that's called a spotter camera. That's the dome and that's the bullet camera. And the other is a PTZ camera. So let me just play the video and then I'll explain as the video plays. Okay. So what happens right now is on the spotter camera, which is your dome or your bullet camera, there is a VCA rule or a smart detection area. A person comes in, it triggers the VCA, and then your spotter camera tells your PTZ camera to start tracking this person. So now the PTZ camera, the purple one, starts to track the person. It zooms in and then starts tracking the person as he walks. Okay, so this feature is called the camera link.